Hey there, business owners. Today we're going to talk about something that's critical to the success of law firms, estate agents, and similar businesses, targeting homeowners and affluent clients, getting new clients. In this video, we'll be discussing how to get new clients, why customer feedback is so important, and how direct mail marketing can help you attract affluent customers. So, where do you find new clients in the legal and real estate and similar industries? Well, it's all about building relationships. Referrals are one of the most powerful ways to bring in new business, so it's important to have satisfied clients who are willing to recommend your services to others. You can also network within your community, attend industry events, and leverage social media to connect with potential clients. I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell now. But once you've brought in those new clients, it's important to get their feedback. Customer feedback is critical to the success of any business, but it's especially important in the legal and real estate industries. These are personal and emotional transactions that often involve a significant investment of time and money. So it's important to ensure a positive experience. So how do you get customer feedback? There are many ways to gather feedback, including surveys, online reviews, using text, image, or video, or simply asking for feedback during at the conclusion of a transaction. And it's not just about addressing negative feedback, it's also about using positive feedback as a tool for marketing your business. Now that you know where to find clients and how to get their feedback, let's talk about how to attract affluent customers. One effective strategy is direct mail marketing. Direct mail allows you to reach a specific target audience, in this case, high net worth individuals, with a personalized message that speaks directly to their needs. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell now. But how you create an effective direct mail campaign? Well, there are a few key components to consider. 1. Your target market. Who exactly are you trying to reach? Make sure you have a clearly defined and specific target audience in mind. For instance, wealthy households who have accumulated substantial assets, mostly married and in their 40s or over. Some have children under 18, some have adult children at home, and others have none. They are responsive to branded emails, newsletters, and direct mail. They are well educated and work in high-status jobs as directors, professionals, and senior managers. Some are self-employed or own their own business. Others are already retired. You can buy this sort of data from brokers, or we'd be happy to help you create your list. Get in touch now. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell now. 2. Your offer. What are you offering to this target audience? A free consultation? A free book or guide about topic they are interested in? Make sure your offer is enticing and relevant to their needs. 3. Your message. What message do you want to convey in your direct mail piece? Make sure it's clear, concise, and speaks directly to the target audience. For instance, free book on financial peace or mistakes every cautious investor must know about. 4. Your mailing design. How will your direct mail piece look? It's important to create a visually appealing design that stands out in the mailbox. 5. Your follow-up, or what we call your sales conversion techniques. Don't forget to follow up with those who show interest. This will help convert leads into paying clients. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about how to attract affluent customers, check out our blog and social media channels for more helpful tips. And if you're interested in creating a direct mail campaign or getting help with your marketing strategy overall, get in touch. We'd love to help take your business to the next level. Cheed. I hope you find this video as informative and useful as we intended. If you did, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can catch all our future videos on marketing and branding. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy nurturing.